Hi everyone, welcome into Universal Beauty. Today it's DIY day. This is the disposal that I've been telling you about. I'm going to replace it. This down here is my new one. First of all, saving the box to just get rid of all the garbage. The box that this one came in. The box here, you can just, as the replacement of this one happens, it can just go directly in that box. So I've got some puppy pads down here. These are my tools that I'm going to be using. We're going to be doing a little bit in the plumbing. That's everything unplugged there. The plug you see is from the garbage disposal because everything's got to be changed out now. And just as a little tip for you, if you're ever having to do anything under the sink, I have these kind of portable light bulbs that just illuminate everything really well so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Anyway, the idea here today is going to be to get rid of this clamp off of here and detach this down here, and then I should be able to pull down the old disposal and replace it with the new and hook it up in reverse. Okay, so wish me luck. I will I'll let you know how it goes.
Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Universal Beauty, and I hope you're enjoying your Sunday. So this weekend is been a lot of things going on. First of all, my project, I was able to install my new garbage disposal, and it's running like a champ. So happy about that.
Okay, there it is. It's in and it's working like a champ. So hopefully all the drama is over for a little while.
So anyway, in addition to that, just getting a lot of stuff done. There is I'm going to go to Mexico next month, and I was trying to, I'm trying to really simplify my makeup routine because it's just going to be like, beach and music, and I don't want to, tote a lot of stuff there. I'm road testing this It Cosmetics CC cream. It's got an SPF 50, which is wonderful, and it's it's got an anti-aging hydrating serum in here, and it's color correcting full coverage. So I'm wearing it today. I tried it yesterday too, and I think it's going to work out pretty well. It just comes like this, so it's very easy to travel with, and just a little pump. I'm going to show you like the coverage on it is, see, it's really pretty good. And to have that broad spectrum SPF 50 on top of it, see, I think that's going to wear really well. So, so far I like it okay. I mean, I'm a little shiny and stuff up here, but so what? It's not like there's any need to be real presentable. Everything's going to pretty much be outside, and I just want to have a little something, but with protection that's not too complicated. Now, having said that, I'm being like optimistic but also realistic because a COVID outbreak could happen and nobody's going anywhere, so it's only a month away, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and we'll see. Like, I'm not allowing myself to get overly excited, but I'm hopeful, of course. It doesn't matter to me. I'm glad it's outside. This particular resort is, they're not only you have to have a proof of vaccination certificate, but you've got to have like a fresh COVID test, and not just a rapid test, but like, lab test. So before you can even get on the property. So I'm kind of glad that they're being so stringent about that, because really all it takes is one, and nobody's going anywhere. So we'll see. Anyway, I would love to go to Mexico, and I hope that that's going to be a thing. Sorry, my clock's going off. Thanks. Anyway, speaking of like protecting yourself and all that kind of thing, I went into my local CVS today, and they had, no kidding, you guys, this hand sanitizer. It's by a brand called Cleanworks. This thing, it's what is it, 8.45 ounces for 29 cents. This is like the bin up near the register, like a rapid sale. Unbelievable. Why wouldn't you? You know what I mean? We can't have enough hand sanitizer. And they also did the thing where you can get 3 free N95 masks by just taking your 3. So that's awesome. I really plan on using these, especially on the plane with traveling. And yeah, I think that's like a great thing. So I'm all for the mask. And so I even think, being on holiday, I'll still wear my mask indoors and all that stuff. I'm just like I'm a big fan of it. So not going to be not a lot of need for any real makeup. I want to just take like with me a cream blush and, very basic everything. So, but the SPF, high SPF for my face is, really, really important to me. Okay, so other than that, like I said, I had my garbage disposal big project, and it's not that hard. It's just following steps, and if I can do it, I think anyone can do it. The only thing that I had problems with was, being under my sink. It's like 2 doors that open out, and there's a beam straight down the middle. So you have to kind of wedge around that and look up and fiddle with what's above you. You're kind of contorting in like weird ways. And, today I got to tell you, my shoulders, my neck are really sore. Just kind of like where you're moving and laying on hardwood, my knees on hardwood, that kind of stuff. It hurts, but if you think about it, this garbage disposal, it cost me $130, and if I would have had a plumber come and do this, first of all, they would have jacked up the price of the garbage disposal, plus labor, plus getting rid of your old one. They still will charge you for that, and it probably would have been around $400, the whole job. So, can't do that. And so, I was able to do it. I don't love doing jobs like this, but, as we talked about last week, having a project it's so good, because if you think about it like, oh, I have to do this, then it's a drag. But if it's like, oh no, this is something that's good for me, it's for you. And so it goes a lot better, and you're doing something so positive, and then when it's over and it's successful, it feels a lot better. And like I said, it keeps you out of your head. I feel like I'm definitely turning a corner and having a little bit of a breakthrough of just I'm not feeling like I'm angry and disappointed anymore. Feel like I'm kind of getting on with it, and I have more projects planned and things I want to do. So I can really feel it finally starting to lift, and I'm really glad about that. So that was my weekend so far. The week was good too. There wasn't really anything too bad going on, and I have things to look forward to. You should too. Always remember that like I said, it's something for you. It's not something you have to do. It's something for you. And as far as keeping yourself safe, don't think of it like, I've heard people going, oh, yes, well, everyone's going to, with Omicron, everyone's going to get it. So, well, again, don't stop not trying to get it, because I wouldn't want to facilitate that. It's just do the best you can and keep yourself safe. And, you're not only doing it for you, you're doing it for everyone else. So that's a good thing. So do you want to see the amaryllis progress this week? Oh my gosh, these are, I told you I had 2 of them. They're doing so well. Look at how beautiful it is when it's open. Do you guys believe these flowers? Are they just beautiful or what? So there's like 4 trumpet red flowers, and when these die off, I got another one coming. See, it's starting to peek out there. So how beautiful are they? And they're both doing really well now. So after taking so long and being so cold, they're all opened up, and they make me happy every time I look at them. So anyway, I hope you have a great week, and just keep your mind busy, keep your hands busy, and it's for you. Keep it all in mind for you. You don't have to do things for anyone else. Just take care of yourself, and let's work on keeping you happy and you situated and you figuring things out. That's what 2022 is about. Don't worry about being a little bit selfish. You got to take this time for you. And it's about feeling better, and we're on the road. So, anyway, enjoy your week, and I will see you next week, and we'll try out maybe something new. I know we've been talking a lot about projects and not so much about any beauty products, but next week we will. Okay, I'll see you then. Until then, sparkle hard, everybody.